Hello and welcome to LTD Junkie, a podcast where I review the top lifetime deals and how they could benefit your business. My name is Mike, and I use my 18 years of experience in software and design to dig deep into each software platform. Thanks for joining us today. Hello again, junkies. In this episode, we're going to review Tiledesk and Dashly, two of the chatbot platforms that were on LTD. So if you're new to LTD or lifetime deals and have just tuned into the show, think of it this way. Software used to be bought at a one-time price until companies have started their subscription prices to access this software. So LTDs are usually software SaaS platforms offered for a one-time price for consumers. Okay, so let's get started. So Tiledesk, this was recently on AppSumo. I think their deal is currently ending in a few days. So basically it's a chatbot slash live chat slash ticketing platform. So let's compare this with Dashly, which was previously on AppSumo. So I've got this widget, their widget on my website. So let's check out Tiledesk. Okay, so once you're logged in, you're basically taken to this. Let me just quickly go to the dashboard. Okay, so in here you have this dashboard and some stats in here. So currently I don't have any chatbot. Let's just take a look at their templates at the moment. So they have a few templates here, like quiz for lead scoring, customer service, FAQ bot, get customer rating, chatbot handoff, etc. So basically they have about a dozen or so templates in here. So comparing this closely with Dashly, let's just go to the home. So with Dashly, they actually have Playbooks instead. So they have trigger messages, templates. They have great tutorials on YouTube as well. So let's just quickly check the chatbots. Okay, so they're launching Facebook and Telegram. Leadbot. Okay, so I have a welcome bot in here. Okay, so it should have been activated, but basically Leadbot. So they have lead generation, newsletter, questions, qualifications, booking a demo, which is actually missing from Tiledesk. Yeah, booking a meeting as well, offering a discount. Okay, so it's pretty much the same with Tiledesk in terms of the templates. Now let's check out how you will be able to create your chatbot. So with Dashly, basically the designer for the chatbot is visual, so you can create a message in here, then try to add a condition. Okay, so basically their condition is just the working hours. Okay, then the action is actually just the next step, so pretty much it's actually pretty basic. Okay, so let's quickly check out Tiledesk. So if we start from scratch, let's say welcome chatbot. Okay, so in here, this is their design studio for the chatbot. So they have a AI training block in here. Okay, so let's try to do this. Start, train this block. So basically you add expressions like hello, hi, ask, help. So it's pretty much like whatnot. So the actions in here, form, what's the base, create form, name and email, then what's the response, add button, let's say book a meeting, URL, open in blank, say my calendar. Okay, set a title, can add an image or a video as well. And then what's this, fulfillment. Okay, so webhooks are available. Rules, you can watch their YouTube video for this. So rules, let's say working hours, on any URL every 12 hours. Okay, so the message is hello. But basically so this is not actually much useful for me. Not sure what's this for. Profile, you can change the avatar, select the departments, you have the setup community. Okay, so you can publish it. I think you can get the token. Okay, so you can try on WhatsApp as well. Test it out. So while that's loading, sometimes it takes a little bit of time to load. Okay, so name email.com. Then there's one link. So, oops. And then, okay. Okay, so pretty much you can do simple things with their chatbot. I don't think you can do more complicated ones in here. Say publish. Yes. Continue. Okay, so I have one chatbot. Say add from template. Let's just choose one. Lead scoring. Let's see for Tiledesk. So this takes pretty much some time to load. Not sure if you can even control the delays. So quiz, okay. Yes, let's start. Okay, email. Then business owner. LinkedIn. Okay, more than. Okay, let's try to import this and check out how it's built. Okay, so you have a start. The form, it's not there. Leave. So there's human handoff. Okay, so there's the response, wait, and handoff. Start. Okay, so basically they have blocks which you can build. So these are the questions, these are the options. When one chooses this, it goes to this. It's not as visual as Dashly in here. Let's see. So with Dashly, pricing page, questions. Try this one. Okay, so with the difference with Dashly, it's much more visual. So when to send, when they visit the site, there's basically questions, options, then it goes to the next sequence, and there's a condition in here. So actually the condition is just the working hours. So yeah, pretty much limited in terms of having the conditions in there. It's just the working hours. But compared to Tiledesk, this is much more visual and much easier to use or to design your chatbot. This one might take a while before you're able to do some complex sequences in here. So yeah, okay, so that's their chatbot. Save. Let's just compare the live chat. So there's both platforms, Tiledesk and Dashly. They do have a chat. Both of them have mobile apps as well. Okay, so this button does not seem to work right now. Okay, probably it's just slow. Okay, so widget test page. Okay, so this is how it would actually look like for on your website. They do have some branding in there, which you can, I think you can still remove. So that's how it would look like. With Dashly, you have a centralized inbox where you can receive all the messages in here. I archive or actually close conversations on my website. So the difference with Tiledesk, actually there's not much difference, but you can easily create a ticket from here. Okay, so you can add the requester. Oh, you already have the lead which you tested earlier. You can assign message. So basically you can use it sort of like a help desk, mini help desk with the Tiledesk. So let's check out the statistics or analytics for both. So with Tiledesk, you have the number of conversations per department, all agents. With Dashly, let's see the reports. Okay, so you have different reports like funnels. It's just configuring the event, so you can do much more complex tracking with Dashly. So let's see some other reports. Events, so website visits, much cleaner. You can just track conversations in here. They do have different analytics, conversations, response time. Okay, so pretty much it's just conversation based. Not sure if there's any more analytics in here. Activities basically is more on what your agents are actually doing. So it's not included with the AppSumo plan. As seen here, it's on their plus plan. And difference with Dashly, they do have a knowledge base and triggered messages. So you can trigger a message when, let's say, they visited your website. You can create as many messages in here. So with chat, you can do a pop-up message, you can do an email. Actually, you can do webhooks, JavaScript, chat. So you can do so much more with Dashly at the moment. History, let's just check out a few other features of Tiledesk. So they do have integrations with WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Send transcript. Okay, so let's try to install it. Install, and install. External. Okay, so what's that? Okay, so basically you can do an embedding for your chatbot as well. So they do have, Tiledesk does have contacts in here, while Dashly has a leads database. So you can see the visitors from different countries. Okay, so I guess just a few more configurations for Tiledesk. You can do unbranding. So you can change the branding in here from Tiledesk to your own branding. You can have a pre-chat form, so you can use their get their name and email address. So it's basically you can do installation, visibility. I think can you do it on left or right? Yes. Emails. You can have canned responses as well. Triggers is currently in beta. Project settings. So basically you can do like different projects for let's say for different organizations or companies. With Dashly, let's just quickly check out. They have a lot more integrations at the moment. They do have, let's see. Okay, so senders. Can do chat icon. Yeah, basically with Dashly you can only do a single project at the moment. With Tiledesk you can do multiple, but you'll have to chat with their support to distribute your team members for your account. Let's see, I haven't tried that. We'll get in touch with them as well. What else? I guess that's basically it. So if you're still on the lookout for a chatbot / live chat / ticketing software platform, do check out Tiledesk on AppSumo, and I'll place the link in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you again, junkies. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and be sure to subscribe to our podcast to get notified of the newest software on lifetime deal. Follow us on social media or subscribe to our newsletter. See you later, junkies!